get to your first alert forecast. Tracy, okay, so I know it was nice this weekend because I did some yard work.
I don't believe you did anything.
I promise you I did. It was that nice outside.
You were helping your mom?
No, my own backyard.
You were?
By myself.
Okay, all right.
The question is, can I do that this weekend?
No, you won't be able to do anything like that this weekend.
Okay.
So this past weekend was very nice. We had afternoon highs in the lower 70s. We had a great deal of sunshine. The weather was postcard weather. As we moved toward the middle of the week, that's when we are looking at what could be a barrage of different weather systems coming in, bringing us more rounds of rainfall, heavy at times, snowfall, heavy at times, and some pretty strong winds. And we could be looking at blizzard conditions for the Sierra. That's a lot going on. So let's talk about it. Starts Thursday, could still be in the forecast Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But before we get to this, I would be remiss if I did not show you that it is expected to hit 94 degrees today in Dallas. And that, folks, is why we live in California. 83 coming in for Houston, 80 in El Paso. Temperatures are still expected to be in the low 90s tomorrow. After that, a big drop in your temperatures, compliments of a cold front. Here's where the cold front is right here. You can almost see it. Cooler air back behind the front, warmer air in front of it, and you'll see about a 40-degree drop in your temperatures for Texas by the time you get to the middle of the week. As far as we're concerned, we're sitting pretty. Afternoon highs today in the mid-60s for Sacramento, 61 down in L.A., 70 degrees when you get closer to Las Vegas. So I mentioned today a few showers, and it's just that, nuisance showers in the forecast, and they are favoring parts of the foothills as well as into the Sierra. Just an occasional shower. I can't rule it out completely, so we'll keep it in there with the verbal mention, but we're not talking about a washout or anything like that. Most of the day will be dry. Now, what we are watching going forward is what I just teased. Heavy snowfall with some gusty winds, valley rain with wind, and Saturday's snowfall looks like it could be targeting parts of the lower foothills. And Ashley and I just had the conversation. What is considered low snow? Well, anything between 1,000 and 1,500 feet in elevation, ding, that's low snow. And that's going to be in the forecast late Saturday night into Sunday. So let's take a look at your futurecast. This is showing just a few minor showers in today's afternoon, evening into tonight, and then that system moves out. Tuesday, beautiful day, more sunshine. Wednesday is the pick of the week. Afternoon highs near 70 with more sunshine. Now all of a sudden you get to Thursday, and this is what's coming. A plume of moisture coming in from what? The north. Not the south. This is not an atmospheric river. This is not a warm storm. This is a cold storm. And the reason why that's important is the colder the air, the lower the snow. Aha, I got you. There you go. So Thursday, we got a chance of showers coming in Thursday evening. Another round comes in Friday. Another round comes in Saturday. Now, right now, it looks like some of the coldest air comes in Saturday night into Sunday morning. And you could see snow as low as 1,500 feet. But the wild card is how much precipitation is left, how much of the storm is left in order to get some appreciable snowfall at lower elevations. And that's the part we don't quite know. Right now, it looks like about a dusting for some of those areas. Weekend forecast for the Sierra. I don't normally talk about the weekend on Monday, but this is a storm coming in. Saturday and Sunday, both days, snow showers for the Sierra. You got a chance of rain and snow coming in for the foothills Saturday and Sunday, and you got thunderstorms likely for the valley on Saturday with improving conditions on Sunday. How much snowfall are we talking about? Now, this is still several days out, so give me some grace. But I'm going to tell you, if this storm holds together with the track and timing, above 5,000 feet, 5 to 10 feet of snowfall. Wow. So right now, statewide, we're 85% of average for snowpack. But if we get all that snowfall in here, we could be looking at more than 100% of average, especially for the northern Sierra. First alert action days are now Thursday and Friday. That's your weather. Stick around. We'll be right back.